Coffee maker's broke again.
Well, so are we, so fix it.
I'm sorry, honey. I've done everything I can. We'll have to let go. I'm pulling the plug.
Dan, you know if I don't get coffee in the morning, I can get cranky.
Here, just a pinch between your cheek and gum.
Where's that instant crap I save for company? My God, it's decaf. Who let that into the house? You gotta get a new coffee maker.
Oh, honey, now we're trying to cut back. Oh, did you cancel the cable?
Well...
Lucy?
No, I didn't cancel it, but it's not like I paid the bill or nothing. Oh! God! You're way too happy. Go out and come back in.
Be nice, Roseanne brought you breakfast.
Oh, coffee cake. Ironic, isn't it?
Listen, guys, I'm really sorry to hear about Becky. Did that come out right? I never know what to say in these situations. I mean, I just feel so uncomfortable. It's just like torture.
Gee, Nance, that's rough. Let us know if there's anything we can do.
So Nancy and I are gonna go down to the mall and find me a dress for the singles dance tonight. You wanna come along and undermine my self-confidence?
Well, how sweet of you to ask me, and I'd love to go. But no, I can't, because Becky and Mark are going to come over today.
Oh, wow, how'd you pull that off?
Well, we worked out a truce.
Well, that's great, right? That's really great.
I get some repair work out in the garage.
What kind of repair work?
A couple bikes.
Well, you have to do it now when Becky and Mark are going to come over?
I don't fix them, we don't eat.
Well, you are going to come in and say hi when they come home, aren't you? Dan?
Whoa.
Yeah, I know.
Is he at least talking to you about it?
No, he doesn't want to talk to anybody. He just wants to fix things.
That is so destructive.
Yeah, and you know, it's just the calm before the storm, because when he sees Becky, he's going to go ballistic. I mean, things are going to get really ugly around here. It'll be kind of nice to have everything back to normal.
Hey, is anybody home?
Hey.
Hey, look, it's Joni and Chachi.
How you doing, little brother? Fine. Except thanks to you, now I'm related to my girlfriend.
So, where's Mom?
She's in the kitchen with the knives.
You want me to go in there with you?
With the knives.
Listen, why don't you go on to your parents? By the time you get back, everything will be fine. Okay?
All right, I'll see you later.
Bye.
If you lie very still, she may just sniff you and leave you alone.
Mom? Hey.
Hey.
I'm married.
Yeah, me too. Isn't it fun?
So, how are things around here?
How do you think?
He needed a job. He had to go. What was I supposed to do?
Well, how about let him go? Do you think he'd drop everything to follow you someplace?
Yes, I do. You know, it was Mark's idea to get married.
Well, call me old-fashioned, but what's wrong with living in sin?
We made the right decision. I mean, I love him, Mother.
Are you sure that he loves you?